Good evening, everyone. Welcome to another session of webinar. This one is dedicated to salaried people whom we find that during COVID times are struggling at times on their financial planning. So this is a very simple series which talks about some basic to-dos for salaried people. Understanding cash flows, this is one of the most important things that one needs to do. For salaried people, broadly, the prime source of earning would be the salary that they get. Obviously, some people may have some other source of income in terms of dividends from other investments, or maybe some rental property that they may have. But primary source of earning is the salary that they earn every month. And in terms of outflows, cash outflows, obviously that would be the regular monthly expenses that they will do every month. And obviously some exigencies come in where typically one needs to look after them as well. So the idea is, since the cash inflows are known, majority of the expenses are also known. The idea is to chart down all the income and expenses properly, and typically whatever is remaining should be used in terms of what we call as the golden budget rule for salaried people, where 50% goes for your regular monthly expenses that are there, 20% should be taken straight off as a savings, which ultimately should be invested so that it saves you for a rainy day, and 30% is something that you can invest in terms of other wants, in terms of the shopping that you want to do, or a vacation that you want to intend to go with your family. All those things can be incorporated in that 30%. But the idea is 20% should be straight off be taken out to build up your finances, which will include something like an emergency fund, especially during these times when we have seen that many of our friends jobs are kind of not there, or the salaries have been reduced. Creating an emergency fund is very critical. For salaried people, we normally suggest 6 months of emergency funds to be there, so that if an event occurs where they lose their jobs or the salaries go downhill, they are able to save it out on the normal stuff. What we tell in our sessions with audiences is that be disciplined with your savings. Do not build castles in terms of salaries will grow by this much percentage every year, so much bonuses will come in. Whatever you are earning, 20% should straight off go into your savings. There's some very basic rules for salaried people that will help them kind of tide over on the finances and yet not compromise with their lifestyle that it is there. Some of them are always prioritized in terms of where you want to put in the money, in terms of the expenses, in terms of the investment that you want to do. Broadly, do not give way to the impulses that are there. Okay, my friend is going to a vacation to London, I too should be going and spending time in London. Do not give away to impulses or try to replicate what your colleagues are doing. It does not fare well for everybody in that sense. Since cash flows are known, plan out your finances well. If you want to buy an asset over a period of time, start allocating and investing for that particular asset, so that when you want to buy it out, you don't need to spend a very large sum suddenly from your regular earning that it is there. As I mentioned, have for sure a good emergency fund which tides over 5 to 6 months for you. And the last thing, do not take too much leverage, both in terms of either a home loan or typically credit card overdues, or rotating the credit card spends that are there, or taking a personal loan or vehicle loan. So take loans, but do not take too much leverage as far as the finances are concerned. So these are some of the basic stuff that is required in terms of planning out your finances. Hope this video helps you out in terms of looking at your finances in better detail. If you want to reach out to us for planning out things much more properly in a much more detailed fashion, please reach out to us at training.investmind@gmail.com. Thank you.